All right. So we're just checking out what it's gonna sound like doing a podcast where I can switch between different sources, different cameras, and I've taken the chroma key off of everything. I can have different, I can make these backgrounds black. I can put whatever I want in there. This is the display capture so you guys can see what I'm, just if I decide on this computer to mess around and go to, you know, say I go to File Explorer or something and play a video or something. Like if I play the video,
Alright.
the display
Do we
capture
got any kind of microphone
is,
input? Are we catching it? Yeah.
it's
Alright.
catching the whole screen.
So, we'll
And then
be
I'm back to the
catching
camera.
pretty shitty
Let's go back until we
fucking,
show y'all how you get back out of it. Like that. And so you got so you can see it. All right. See. There we go. Now you can see both computers. See. Here's one computer, here's the other. This camera is running into this computer. And using the camera app. This see like I kind of like having the TV screens in it. Just a little bit of everything. I kind of like having a little bit of everything in it. But so this is my 270 Logitech. This is the camera that came on the computer. Just pretty crappy, and then where it's at is funny and everything. But it works. It works. And if you for shots that it's actually pretty damn cool for shots that you put wild contrast and stuff in. I like that it's swirly. See what my hands are doing? I'm telling you. They give you this camera for a reason. They give you this camera for a reason. You have to know how to use it. Look at that. Don't you know what I'm saying? That's with with that with green screen all the way over. I'm just I haven't even I'm just messing around. I'm teaching myself as I go. You see what I'm saying? I'm teaching myself as I go. Now, with with a let's go ahead. Let's add the filters and add the chroma key. Just make it work real quick here. If I can, if I can, I'm not, I can't see very well, so it's hard for me a lot of times to get right on the thing. You gotta be right on it. You know, there we go. Just a little bit of chroma key, and so what it does is sets up the other camera, so you can see the other camera. Or I could do like this. Here we go. Let's add an image. Okay. Browse my captures. Here we go. I love this image right here. Yeah, go. And then all you do is bring it down below. Oh, well, tell you what. Let me adjust the size here. A little bit more. There we go. All right, now all I gotta do is just bring it down. Damn it. I done jerked it way all the way down. Ah, there we go. If I bring it down one more, it'll be it'll be underneath of both of the cameras. Uh, uh all right. So however this one's working, that's how it's working. So you see what I'm saying? It can be really, and I'm not throwing any light at the camera. Believe me, it's a better camera than you think. It just needs lots of light, and it's the that's the motion that you want anyway. You know what I'm saying? That's the motion that you want anyway. I don't know. Shrink that back up. There we go. And image. I want to stretch out there a little bit. All right. Now, just well, that's where the like I said, I haven't even adjusted the green screen. But for certain things that you would do, like okay, yeah, that's right. I was supposed to show you mess with the filters, and we're going to add the color correction and just we'll leave everything just like it is and just mess with the contrast. Uh, we'll just all right, and I'm gonna do the couple things that I like to do. I usually just bump everything up, then I bump the brightness down a little bit. Let's see what it does, what the brightness is doing here. Yeah, see, check it out. The things you could do, and then while using this camera, it makes it look cool. You know what I'm saying? I like that it ain't super sharp. I love that the fact that it's not super sharp and it has artifacts and you can do all these cool things. You know what I'm saying? Let's let's get. I tell you what, we're gonna make it. We're gonna bring it on out where I can get rid of any black in there, and then we're just gonna stand back a little bit, get back a little bit. That's where right here, you know. Oh my God, can you see a beautifully shaped woman? You know, doing this dance, doing her dancing. You know, and the silhouette, and you know, start bringing it up. It'll start taking it away. Doesn't matter, you know. But you don't want to be in the black. All right, let's see. We'll leave it with that little bit on it. Let's go back into our filters, back into our color correction. Let's bring the brightness back down and have that chroma key effect. That you know. Let's bring the saturation on, and let's mess with the hue. Uh, all right. So now let's see. You know what I'm saying? Dun dun chicka boom boom chicka boom bam boom boom boom. Dun 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 chicka chicka bam dun 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 dun. It's just, you know, these are the things that I can do. I can put lots of images together and shoot a cool video. It's trying to do it myself. I can't act and push the buttons. That's why I'm trying to get into stop motion animation and stuff. You know? So let's go in here and let's just remove the color correction. And boom, we're right back to where we were. And there we go. So, and then, you know, I can do the same thing with any camera I have. You know, I've got all my different cameras going on. So basically, I mean, I can just, it's all about the band and what we want to do and what we want to set up. So I'm hoping you guys got a little flavor from that. And I'm hoping that maybe we could get together and actually shoot a cool video. You know, I think it'd be pretty cool. So that's enough. If you like this type of stuff, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what it is you want to see. I'm just getting started. I'm not one of those content creators that their only content is how to make content. I do want to show y'all how to do what I do, but I'm still learning myself and I ain't quite figured out what I want to do. So like, comment, subscribe, please. Thank you.